Las Vegas operates at an unrelenting high frequency. Between the flashing neon, the constant noise, and the sheer volume of people moving through the environment, your brain and body are immediately subjected to heavy sensory input. Combine that baseline exhaustion with actual physical output. Whether you're clocking 5 miles walking across sprawling casino floors or hiking the steep inclines out in the Mojave Desert, you are quickly racking up physical debt. Sitting down at the end of the day won't clear that debt. To understand why, we have to look at your fascia, the thin casing of connective tissue that surrounds and holds every blood vessel, bone, and muscle in place. In dry, arid climates, combined with chronic physical stress, this tissue dehydrates. Without proper hydration, healthy sliding tissue fibers rapidly dry out. They seize up and lock together into a rigid, sticky web, physically limiting how far you can move your joints and making you highly susceptible to muscle strains. This rigidity acts like a tourniquet. Chronically tight muscles clamp down and restrict local blood circulation, trapping lactic acid and cellular waste in a stagnant pool. Your muscles are effectively suffocating in their own metabolic waste. At this stage, the body cannot clear the deficit on its own. It requires an external mechanical intervention to break the cycle. That intervention works through a dual mechanism. A proper therapeutic massage attacks recovery on 2 distinct fronts, starting with your physical hardware. The process begins with the superficial layers. Therapists use broad, sweeping strokes across the skin to increase localized blood flow and warm up the muscle tissue, preparing the deeper layers beneath for heavier manipulation. Once warmed, the technique shifts to deep kneading. By physically lifting and stretching the muscle fibers away from the bone, the therapist breaks up dense, dehydrated adhesions in stiff areas like your calves and shoulders. This cross-section diagram shows how pressure impacts metabolic waste. Dense fibers are saturated with stagnant, dark fluid. Sustained pressure physically forces trapped lactic acid out. This creates a vacuum, and bright, oxygen-rich blood immediately rushes in to fill the cleared channels. As the nervous system processes this mechanical input, it immediately deactivates the body's internal stress response, forcing a shift towards recovery. A cascade of physiological changes follows. Your heart rate naturally slows down, your blood pressure rapidly normalizes, and cortisol production drastically drops, the primary stress hormone that keeps your body tense and on edge. By influencing the nervous system, massage shifts the body's internal resources towards cellular repair, accelerating a recovery process that is otherwise slow and passive. Addressing both the physical and neurological components allows for a structural change. A full body rub manages the anatomy as a single interconnected system. Tracing the body's interconnected pathways reveals how localized pain often starts far from the symptom. Here, a glowing tension line begins at the foot, moves through the hip, and culminates in a stress knot at the shoulder. A systematic head-to-toe treatment ensures no area of compensatory tension is missed. By addressing the root cause in the lower body, proper postural alignment is restored up top. This approach can be entirely customized, whether you need the rhythmic strokes of a Swedish relaxation session or the deep, assisted stretching of a traditional Thai massage. The modality is tailored to your specific physical demands. Investing in routine, professional massage therapy serves as a proactive maintenance protocol. It clears waste from your tissues, keeps your joints mobile, and builds physical resilience to handle demanding environments.